Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make an acai berry smoothie. It is very delicious and very healthy. For the ingredients, you're going to need 2 packs of acai berry, 1 banana, a cup of ice, and you may use apple juice or coconut water, whichever you prefer. The first thing you're going to do is get the acai berry and then go ahead and put it into the blender. Next, peel the banana and go ahead and break it up and put it in the blender. You may use 1 or 2 bananas depending on your taste. Next, put in the cup of ice and about a half cup of apple juice or coconut water. Now blend until smooth. And that's it. Serve in a glass and enjoy.